What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and we're going to be taking a look at the charts. Sorry, a little late today. We're getting ready for vacation. We'll be leaving for tomorrow. I will try to make some videos during the vacation. No promises. If I do one tomorrow, it'll be super early. If not, I'll try to do one in the evening. But anyways, let's get into it, see what's going on. Make sure you guys scroll down, smash that thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you want daily updates, and leave your comments down below. Let me know if you like these quick videos. So here's the weekly. Our weekly resistance is about 35.3, right in that range. So if we get a pop up, we could see a quick wick up to this range and then back down possibly. But let's take a look at the smaller time frames. But before we do, if you guys are interested in trading, I would definitely check out Prime XBT, links down below. You can use my promo code SAVVY50. That'll get you up to a $7,000 bonus. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. The beauty of it is you can trade traditional markets, altcoins, Forex, everything all from one exchange. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. All right, so this is my Elliott wave count for this smaller move in the 4 hours. So we talked about it yesterday. If we have a break of this 31.7 area, then it's invalidated. We did not break that yesterday. We could still be looking at wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this here could have been a big 1, 2, 1, 2. And if so, you know, we have our third wave ending at about 26.5. Get a bounce up to about 28.5 range and then back down. If you look at where that 28.5, that's old resistance. So if we do break through there, that's what I'd be looking for. Also, let's take a look at this triangle we have here. If we take a measured move of that triangle, let's say we break here. Once we break 29.4, somewhere in that range, we could be heading down to, and look at that. That lines up almost perfectly with our target of around 24.5-ish. 25 to 24.5, somewhere in that range would be the end of this, and then possibly a wave up. That being a wave 1 and then a wave 2, maybe go test that 30,500 range again if this happens. Let's take a look at where that retracement might be if we got down to this 24.5 range. Our retracement would probably be around as high as 29.6 or so. So this would be wave 1, wave 2. I see this, if this does play out, it will be a couple weeks. Now, where do we invalidate this? Well, today we could probably do an invalidation around 31.6, somewhere in that range. If we break up, you guys know there's still a target we've been looking at about 33,000. The measured move of this would be approximately 36. But remember, we have a weekly resistance at 35.3. So keep that in mind. But I still am looking at it this way. Like I said, unless it gets invalidated, let's still going to keep that invalidation at around 31.7. If we break the 31.7, could be looking for that 33,000 range. And that was just a measured move on our daily chart. You can go back and watch my previous videos for longer term. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently at 18.19. Remember, our major resistance is at 19.19. We've had this here forever. Our measured move from falling out of this bear flag is about 15.64. I still think there's a good possibility we get there. Unless Bitcoin gets its pump up, then 19.19 gets broken for Ethereum. Could see as high as around 22.50, somewhere in that range, 55 EMA here on the daily. But as you guys can see, we did make hidden bearish divergence, still making it here. If we go over to the weekly chart, I'm going to do that in Litecoin and XRP next. But we look at the weekly chart, I've showed you guys, it does look like a massive bear flag on the weekly. Could bring it down to around 650. Now remember, I think the bear market will end in 2023. Again, check my previous videos to see that if you haven't already. Let's take a look at the daily on XRP. As you guys know, our target's 24. But if we're doing the same thing, like I said, hidden bearish divergence, put it on the weekly, and we have a much lower target. But again, that doesn't mean we go straight down. That's weekly. This is a weekly chart. It takes a long time to move. But same thing, we could be seeing a bear flag here. Could get down to possibly as low as $8. Let's take a look at XRP. These are longer term charts, guys. All these charts, XRP, Litecoin, and Ethereum, are about 6 months old. We've been looking at them. Our targets have so far been hitting perfectly. We've talked about this here. Same thing, hidden bearish divergence, higher highs in the RSI, lower highs in the price action. Our targets have been for 6 months about 17 cents to 28 cents. But again, if we go over to the weekly, and as you guys know, I think the Amazon to Bitcoin chart seems to be playing out. If you haven't seen it, go to my YouTube page. It's playing when you go on there. But here we are, another bear flag on the weekly. That gets it down to about 2 cents. Is that possible for XRP? It's definitely possible. Is it guaranteed? Nothing's guaranteed in any markets. That's why I don't tell anyone when to buy, when to sell, when to long, when to short. All I do is show you my opinion. It's up to you to make up your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, smash those thumbs up. Leave your comments. Let me know if you like these short videos. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you.